Hello everybody, it has a bit been long. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be diving into one of the website that is free of charge, where you can get free money. We are diving into and we access the financial support from one website called Turn to Us website. Turn to Us website is a very free website. You don't need to do any application fee. You don't need to put any money. What you need to only follow the steps and the guidance that we are going to give you in this video. So let's go together. But before that, whether you're facing tough time right now, I know someone out there is facing the tough time in form of a loss, in form of school fees, in form of feeding, and very many others. Or just you need a little extra push in form of help, financial help. This resource can be a game changer. So be with me. But before that, I want you to know the name of the where the name of the website. The website is called Turn to Us. First, let's visit Turn to Us website. Today I want to make it very snappy and very quick. What I want you to do, I want you to go with me to your favorite browser. Go to it and type there the word Turn to Us. When you put that Turn to Us, the interface is going to come like that. This is what we are talking about. We are talking about Turn to Us, which is a free website that gives you access to get some financial help. It says we believe everybody in UK should have financial security so they can thrive. So before we go very far, I would love to say thank you very much for every person that is out there and you were there to make it work. You're like me, you're like somebody else who cannot sleep and will wait for the children or wait for anybody to sleep hungry. So we are going to go into it. I want you to go down right to the home page. Find a word, the home page, I mean, for Turn to Us. When you reach on Turn to Us, go to the home page. The home page looks like that. I think you can see it. It has this picture. It has get support, get involved. That is the home page. What you do, you click on get support. The moment you click on get support, you're going to get various things on it. What we find here, they will say find out what support you can get if you're finding it hard to make ends meet. For you to find your appropriate support, you are going to use one of the commonest thing, one of the easiest thing that we came to understand. It's called benefit calculator. So what you do, I want you to go with me there and try to type in what you want, as in terms of what they are going to ask you. So the moment you click on find support, you're going to get there are different things that are going to ask you about about your amount of money and other things for you to navigate to get exact support that you need. So let's go together and we see what they're asking about. At least we know how you can go about it. So when you reach here on this get support, you click on benefits calculator. Why do you use benefit calculator? When you click on benefit calculator and you fill in the forms and other things they're asking you, this one helps you understand exactly which type of support do you in particular need. So when you reach here and you click there, it will show you that they Turn to Us benefit calculator. Millions of people missing out on thousands of pounds. Check what you are entitled to. They believe every person has something entitled to. And I know you're still watching. If you're watching this video and you're out of UK, it's okay. This is very good. You can refer it to somebody else in UK. But the first eligibility is you have to be a UK resident. So check out your benefit entitlement. What you do, you go to return to calculator, fill out all what they are going to ask you. All that comes, use the Turn to Us benefit calculator to make sure that you get a right grant. So what you do, you fill out your calculation reference required, your postal code, then your situation and all other things. When you finish filling them, it is going to take you to another interface, and this interface. Here you'll see option for benefits and grants. You can use the benefits calculator like the one I've showed you to see what you might be eligible for. It's simple, just answer those questions that I'm going to give you. What you do only, follow the prompts and answer the questions really in a precise and accurate way, such that you can land on your appropriate grant. Another thing you need to do, they tell you have to make sure you give a detailed walkthrough of the benefit calculator, because if you go to see what the calculator is, you need to feel it such that you should not leave out something. Or but before we talk very many things, let's walk through the calculator. We input some details and we see. First, you have to put in your income, you put in your expenses, you put in your household size, and once you complete it, it will show you a list of benefits that you qualify for, along with that estimated amount. And when you click there, you are nearer to get those benefits, to get those grants, to get those free money. So let's now go to another step. Another step is to explore specific grants. How do you explore specific grants? You'll go and click on grants in the menu, like the way you can see on our screen. It will show you various charitable grants that you can apply for based on your circumstances. Now, this is 2-in-1. For calculator, it is for those people, it's for the benefits calculator is for those people who say every person, because as to turn to us, every person in UK has a right to, has some rights, has some sort of money that you are entitled to. But now suppose you don't know that you have. The only thing, you come to turn to us and fill out the form. Then when you fill out the form, the benefits will come that you're entitled to. That is one. But we're going to deal more on the one of grants. You know, we started this video from the beginning talking about the grants, so that's why I want us to continue and see exactly which grant can you access when you're here. Now go with me. I'm trying to navigate. Let me navigate to this grant. Go with me and we see which grant can we access on these websites. There are different grants. Forgive me, I enlarged the screen and now it is disturbing me. There are different grants that are on this Turn to Us. I want to do it with you. So when you reach here, when you go to grants, I want you to go and click on grants. The moment you click on grants, it will bring for you different types of grants. And these different types of grants, you are going to see which grant exactly am I eligible for. When you find a grant you're eligible for, when you look through them, click on it, then you get more details. Because when you don't click on it, you not get more details. And for you, when you click on it like the way we are doing, you'll get to know what exactly should I do next. Follow the prompts and fill your forms. You'll often find application forms, and a guidance also will be attached like the way you can see on how to apply. So this one is just very easy, and in a few minutes you'll finish. Make sure you prepare your documentation in advance. What are the documentations? Maybe ask you your identity card, your all those papers that can, maybe your driving license or your passport. You need to be having them. Then what you need, don't forget, you people, that there are other resources like local support services or helplines, because whenever you have any problem and you're in UK, you can just get a call and call Turn to Us. It is not only for money, by the way. They can also connect you with local charities, local officials that may help you with even additional amenities, additional assistances. Me, what I really I love on this Turn to Us, remember, it is for UK residents. But I know someone out there who is in Africa, in Asia, you're going to say, Christine, why should you give something that is for UK and we're not from UK? No. People who are watching this are all equal. And also, if you know you're not eligible for this one, you can go for the previous one we posted, Give Directly, and I also be bringing you another one for the whole world, for all nations. So Turn to Us is majorly for only people who are in the UK. But what I want you to do, for you to access this support, don't think it is a lack. It is your right. If you're in UK, Turn to Us is there to help you navigate different options